guys, what's up? Today I'm going to review a very well-hearted 10 years up to 10 years older series by Terry Maffei, Shatter Me. A captivating romantasy starred as I am unknown to the fantasy world up till now, but Shatter Me is an introduction for me for the romantasy, fantasy, and whole new genre which I am obsessed by this book. As someone stepping into the romance genre for the first time, I couldn't have chosen a better getaway than Terry Maffei. Published over a decade, this dystopian romance has maintained its grip on readers' heart, and the ongoing hype around the series, which now spans 9 novels and 2 or 3 novellas. I'm not expecting that to be because I only read one. Proves that some stories are truly timeless when countless readers kept insisting. I gave it a try and I finally caved, and I'm so glad I did. The storyline follows Juliet Ferris, a 17 years old girl who hasn't touched another human being in exactly 264 days. Her touch is lethal, a curse that has left her isolated, feared, and locked away in an asylum by the establishment controlling what's left of a crumbling world. Just when Juliet resigned herself to this lonely existence, every time changes. She is suddenly realized into the custody of Warner, the ruthless young leader of Sector 45, sorry, who sees her deadly ability not as a curse but as a weapon he can use. Enter Adam Kent, boring, a soldier with a mysterious past connection to Juliet, and the cast become even more intriguing. As Juliet navigates this dangerous new reality, she must decide who to trust and what she is capable of. Whether her true touch truly defines who she is. This part amazes me more. The writing style, if we talk about anything, is I've counted lyrical, fragmented, and overflowing with crossed out thought that's mirrored Juliet fractured mental state. Some readers find it distracting, but I found it beautifully immersed, pulling me directly into the chaotic mind. The romance between Aaron and Juliet is complex, dangerous, magnetic in what ways that caught me completely off guard. But Kenji Kishimoto, I'm like, he's a side character, but he stole my heart entirely. His humor, his loyalty, his genuine warmth provide the perfect balance to the story. Darker elements, while he's play a smaller role in the first book, his presence is unforgettable, and I'm excited to see more of him in the other novels. The world building establishes integrated in dystopian setting, so I'm hoping for deeper exploration in later books. What truly shines here is the character development and the emotional intensity. Juliet's journey from broken girl to someone discovering her own strength, deeply inherited by me, like influenced me so much. The romance doesn't overshadow the story, it enhances it, adding layers of tension and that makes every interaction crackle with energy. Shatter Me is an excellent entry point for anyone curious about romantasy, fantasy, or genre. It delivers heart pounding romance as a compelling heroine finding her power and enough intrigue to keep you turning pages late into the night. While it's not without flaws, the metaphor heavy prose won't appeal to everyone, and some plot elements feel familiar. The emotional core of the story is undeniable. The hype is real, and readers truly haven't wasted their time diving into the series. With 10 more books ahead of me, I'm thrilled to continue this journey and discover which installment becomes my ultimate favorite. For this book, I'm gonna rate it 8 on 10, a strong emotional resonance start to watch, promise to be an addictive series. If you have been on the fence about trying Shatter Me, consider this your sign to take a leap. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.